Welcome back to the CryptoFather channel. Today is the 14th of October. It's a rainy day and it seems to be raining outside in the crypto world as well. There is a scam going on, circulating on the X platforms involving the Grass project. So I'm going to talk about that now because it looks very legit and it's very worrisome for people who are unaware of the steps that they need to take in order to make sure that they don't fall victims to this scam. But so before I talk about all that, I'm gonna do what I always do on this channel, and that is jump to the crypto world and have a look at the markets and then charts. So market cap is presently at $4.505 trillion, not five, $4.05 trillion. Trading volume at $257 billion. We've got on the trending list, we've got Synthetics and BNB attestation service at 123% gains. Humanity 89, no idea what these gainers or what these tokens are. Bitcoin at $115,000, Ethereum at $4,267. It's crawling slowly back up. BNB, there's a bit of controversy going on around BNB and CZ and what he's doing, and Trump as well. But it's at $1,286. Solana back at $200. Cardano at 73 cents. Litecoin at $100. Toncoin $237. Polkadot at $341. And Monero at $315. On the charts, the Bitcoin dominance has peaked at 63%. This was in October 10th. Bitcoin peaked at 63% and now it retraced all the way down to 59% or 58%. Massive retracement. But in the dollar cost average here, Bitcoin is presently printing another green candle that is pushing its weight towards the $117,000 support or resistance line on the 05 Fibonacci. So that's what we've got to look forward towards. And Ethereum is doing something similar, also printing a green candle. It's forcing its way above the support lines here at 1.6 fib and another fib retracement at 1. On the weekly charts, Bitcoin's printing another green candle. I'm not sure if you can see it with all the mess that's going on here on my charts, but we're printing another green candle and Bitcoin is still on an upward trajectory. So on the weekly charts, everything's going well. Basically, Bitcoin is still moving upwards. I don't know if you were here yesterday when I was talking about this project here, Chain Opera AI, that pumped 11,779% and was sitting at $35, very nicely at $35. And I said that the gains, if you were in a project, you should sell it, take some gains or get out entirely, because this is going to retrace as fast as it pumped. And right now we are at $6.51. And if you scroll out on the chart, when you zoom in on the chart, you can see the massive pump that this project went through. This was yesterday at around 8 o'clock, October 13th, $34. And of course, right now it's sitting at $6.91. So if you had heeded my advice, if you were in a project yesterday and taken some profits, then you'd be in some nice money. And right now you could probably re-enter it, although who knows what's going to happen with projects like that. Brand spanking new projects have a tendency of pumping and then dumping and then remaining in nowhere land forever. All right, so let's hop on to Grass. Grass is a project that uses your excess bandwidth, internet bandwidth, Wi-Fi bandwidth to share with other people and rewards you with tokens. This is my platform. This is what I've been using. I'm presently using my home computer, my PC, as well as a phone, because they have added the additional feature of an app that you can download on your phone and use it as well in order to share the Wi-Fi that you have. And if you haven't started mining it, if you haven't started farming Grass yet, then I suggest you follow the link below the video, download the node on your computer, and you can run it. It runs in the background. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. It doesn't interfere with the internet at all. It doesn't slow it down at all. It only uses internet when you are not using the computer. So right now it's not really using my Wi-Fi or my internet connection all that much because I am using it. But when I stop obviously that's when it kicks in and takes up some of that unused Wi-Fi. And right now we are in epoch, I think 12 or 13 or something, like epoch 12 right now, and that is running all the way up to October 31st. So if you haven't started mining grass or harvesting grass or farming grass, whatever you want to call it, then I suggest you start doing it now, because it's well worth it. It is grass is live. It has launched a while back. The present price tag for grass is 50 cents, so it's gone down significantly. Went down from $3 down to 50 cents right now. Grayscale adds grass to watch list. Grayscale's July 2025 portfolio update includes 28 new crypto assets on its watch list. AI-linked tokens, like Grass, are among new focus areas. And Grass secured 10 million bridge financing round. DePin Project Grass is raising 10 million. Two bridge financing, Polychain and Tribe Capital are participating in this round following previous seed and Series A funding. So this actually already happened. They did secure the 10 million funding round. DePin Project Grass raised 10 million from Polychain and Tribe Capital. So they have that money for the project. So expect good things. I guess we should expect good things. But in any case, so this is what's happening, and you can start farming grass right now on your computer. And at some point in time, when the epochs are finished, we're going to see an airdrop reward program, but not just yet. However, on Twitter, on X, there is a scam project or a scam perpetrating itself as grass that is circulating, and I almost fell for it. I was so close. Basically, there is a page that looks very legitimate. It's called Grass Leaf News, and the ticker is Grass ALRTS. That's the scam page. The original Grass page is right here, and that is called Grass, just Grass. Okay, so don't be fooled by that. And they've got 500,000 followers versus this scam project's got 11,300 followers. And on this page, they are announcing that there's a grass airdrop going. It says official claim page right here, gives you a link. Connect your wallet, the same wallet you used to participate in the campaign. This asks you to connect with your wallet. So when you go to this link, it takes you to a link tree type page, which is right here. And of course, you've got Medium, you've got Discord, and then highlighted claim grass airdrop. When you go on that, you get a website that looks very familiar, looks very similar to that of the Grass Foundation. And then you've got the claim airdrop, which you click, and then you can choose any of the wallets that are here. And of course, it's very easy to do it. The link is legitimate, but once you link, you will most likely be drained of all your assets. So this is where I actually went as far as here and scanning the code. And luckily, I got a message in my wallet, and took a second to backtrack, because I was on the verge of basically handing over all my assets to these scammers. So be very, very careful. This is a serious problem, especially since they are verified. This is a verified website, and apparently there are no reports being made. When you go to this chat, like the chats are closed. There is no chats possible. You can't comment on this. Who can reply? Accounts at Grass Alts follows or mentioned can reply. So there's no way that you can reply to this post. In this one here and in the other. So this is a repost from the original Grass account. So this scam account, right after its pinned scam post, has reposted a message from Grass, and another repost from Grass, another repost from Grass. So all of these are reposts from Grass, and it makes it look like this is the legitimate Grass website, but it isn't. Here's a Grass Foundation repost. I'm not sure if Grass Foundation is a legitimate page or not. Here's another repost from Grass. But so it makes it look, when you scan through this quickly and you don't pay attention to the fact that these are reposts from the authentic, from the original Grass page, you may be fooled into believing that this is a legitimate site when it isn't. So be very, very careful. Stay away from it. Here is your warning. On the plus side, Grass, looking at a quick update, Grass has updated its points model. So there's an update to the points model, and the update is as follows. An update to the Grass points model. Grass points track users' contributions to the Grass network and are now divided into two types of to represent those contributions. When you look at over here, where are those contributions here on the dashboard? Right, okay, so here are the uptime points earned and network points earned. Uptime points are earned for keeping your device connected and helping to grow the Grass network. Network points are earned when your bandwidth is actively used by the Grass network. Okay, so I guess so far the Grass network has not used any of my bandwidth. Network points will be distributed based on how much bandwidth from each user's connection is utilized, factoring in regional demand, connection stability, and prior network activity. You can now see both types of Grass points in the updated rewards dashboard that is right here. Rewards dashboard right here, updated. They've updated their look here, and it's looking all pretty like, and you've got kind of a gamified look of it, which is kind of interesting. Grass points are used to track user contributions to the Grass network for the purpose of calculating and distributing rewards. Grass is introducing a more detailed breakdown of how Grass points are calculated and earned based on the manner you contribute to the Grass network. Grass points now break down into two types: uptime points, network points. Yes, each day a fixed pool of 1 million network points is created and distributed across users based on how much of their internet bandwidth the Grass network actually uses. A user's share depends on market forces that create demand for user bandwidth. Certain regions may handle more traffic depending on where the web data requests originate. More public web data requests will be routed through users located in those regions. So I guess I am out of that particular region because I see 0 and I'm on every day, although my computer does go to sleep. But I mean, in the meantime, like right now, I guess something would be happening, but there isn't. Stability of your Grass connection, that probably also determines how much rewards you get, and the way your connection has been used in prior days and or in related tasks. If your connection has recently been used to fulfill a request, the network may prioritize other users' connections to maintain operating reliability. Somebody else posted in the comments, same concern here. I guess they found it online as well. So this scam is going around. Be careful of the scam that we presently are seeing, the scam that I mentioned earlier. But so this is the update for Grass. In the Discord channel, there is not much happening. The most recent update was the one that I just mentioned, the update to the points. Previously, they have announced that they've raised 10 million from Polychain Capital and Tribal Capital. This investment will be used to support growth, expand infrastructure, and accelerate the path to our goal of an internet scale web crawl, which is good because obviously that should push the price of the token up somehow, somewhere. This is an AI token, a DePin token, so hopefully with the upcoming altcoin season run that everybody's expecting, this should also run. And when the airdrop comes in, whenever that happens to be coming in, you know, the value of those tokens, the airdrop tokens, will be through the roof. But of course, that's probably going to happen right after the bull run, at the end of the bull run, which is going to happen sometime in November, December. And I personally am going to exit that. And Little Bird tells me that the crash is incoming. There may be a massive crash incoming that is going to affect not only crypto, but commodities globally. And is going to be an absolute mess of a time. So be very careful. I personally have been planning to exit the crypto market sometime towards the end of this year, and I'm not listening to the likes of Roll Paul, as you know, wise as he may be, or Michael Saylor, as obsessed he may be with Bitcoin and holding on to it for dear life. I do not believe that we're going through a 5-year cycle or prolonged bull run, or whatever they want to call it, or that the bull run or the bears and bulls are no longer here, that the 4-year cycle is no longer here, that it never existed, blah, blah, blah. I am planning on taking my profits towards the end of this year and then sitting through the bear market and then re-enter back at the bottom of it, or at a point where I think it's worth to re-enter again. One more quick update here. Grass is now on Google Play, so you can download it to your phone, and they're saying that it's 3x. I'm not exactly sure how that works. So basically, my dashboard here. I've got 2 active devices here. This is home, and this is, I'm pretty sure this is my phone. I also had a work computer, and that disappeared, so I have no idea how this works. It got reset, but the phone is supposed to be 3x. It's been running since for the past couple of minutes, and it's only collected this much. It's been up for 3 hours, 11 minutes. My computer's been up for 38 days, 17. It's been up for longer than that. I mean, it's always on. In any case, this is what you can do. Find the link in the description below the video. Download it, install it, and start earning some grass. You get some bonuses for joining, or something like that. That's it for today. Stay safe, stay warned. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, of course, and then come back tomorrow. Today's Tuesday. Come back on Wednesday for another update from the CryptoFather channel. I will see you then. Have a fantastic Tuesday. Peace.